Alright, what's up guys? My name is Patrick. I'm finally back from college. It was a really difficult semester, but finally back. It's over with. And I'm going to do a little bit of work in the MIATA, kind of start it up. And it's probably not going to start up. I feel like the battery's going to be shot, but we'll see. There we go. Damn, it has been a hot second since I've started this thing. I think it's been like maybe 3 months, 2.5 months, somewhere around there. So it's definitely got some dust on it, let's just say that. So what I'm going to be fixing today is that vent right there. Let me just do this. Yep. Okay. So I kind of messed up the install on this, so it doesn't actually like stay in the hole like these. Like I can't really move this out, but as you saw, this just pops out. I tried kind of using some like double-sided tape to kind of get it to stick in there temporarily. So I ordered another one of these. I think it was like $8 off of eBay plus shipping, so it was like 10 or 11 maybe. So I'm going to make another one of these vents and do it the right way this time, so I don't have to spend another like $10. There we go. So the new vent is in. It's all nice and snug. You heard the click when it first went in, so that's perfectly good. It's all done. Sweet. All right. So another issue that I need to eventually face is the timing belt, and the water pump for that matter. So I know all the information is somewhere in here, and I think it's MIATA recommends changing the timing belt. I think it's like 60 or 70,000. So I'm gonna try to find that. Yep. Okay. So scheduled maintenance. So okay. So I have I think 69,000 miles on this car right now. And Yeah, you're supposed to replace the timing belt every 60,000. So a little bit off. I know that the previous owner said that it needed a timing belt change, so we're gonna do that eventually. That sucks. It's an awful job. You have to pull the entire head off, and it's just not fun, honestly. Yeah, so that sucks. I knew that I would have to do it eventually, but I did not know that I was 9,000 miles overdue. Now I guess I gotta figure out a good time to replace that entire timing belt, water pump, all that engine stuff. That's gonna suck, but I don't know. Maybe it won't be that bad, who knows. But yeah, I miss driving this car, dude. It's so fun. It's just like, it's such a nice car in every single aspect. And eventually I'm probably going to bring it up to school with me. But obviously I'm not going to do that in the winter, so just gotta wait until spring, and yeah, it'll eventually see college. It'll be really nice having a fun car again rather than that. But yeah, Morty is looking good as always. I love this thing, man. It's so good. Alright, well anyway guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I just kind of wanted to catch up, show you guys that the car is not sold or anything like that. I'm on winter break now, so maybe you'll start seeing some more videos, possibly. Not really sure. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any like suggestions of what you want to see, just put it in the comments below. I promise I look at all of them, so yeah. Have a good one, guys.